Mr. Commissioner, you have offered your wisdom. I'm just afraid that when the case of Philhealth goes to your office for review, you might be charged with partiality or bias.
But the way I'm listening to your arguments, you are defending the position of the DOF. Do you also audit the DOF?
We do, Your Honor.
Then isn't there a conflict of interest here?
Your Honor, we were requested, Your Honor, to discuss the records.
I know,
and the
but you're a
definitions.
sitting commissioner.
Yes, Your Honor.
Don't you think there is a conflict of interest here? You're espousing views. The contending views are to be decided by this court. And now a sitting COA Commissioner stands before the court? I don't get it. I really don't get it.
And you did mention your opinion, and our fear is for you and for our co-equal constitutional body called the Commission on Audit, that it may affect the partiality. Just for you.
Hindi pinalagpas ng mga mahistrado ng Korte Suprema at SINiTA ang COA Commissioner na inimbita bilang resource person para sa oral arguments kaugnay ng petisyong kumukuwestiyon sa legalidad ng paglilipat ng pondo ng Philhealth patungo sa National Treasury. Ayon sa mga mahistrado ng Supreme Court, bilang commissioner ng COA, malinaw na may conflict of interest ang pagdepensa nito sa ginawa ng Department of Finance na pakikialam at pag-transfer sa Philhealth funds. Ikinabahala ng mga justices ng Korte Suprema na magkaroon ito ng bias sakaling i-audit na ng ahensya ang finances ng Philhealth dahil sa malinaw na pagtatanggol at pagpanig nito sa naging aksyon ng Department of Finance na hindi naman dapat dahil ang Commission on Audit ay isang independent body. Ang nasabing commissioner ay itinalaga ng Malacanang sa COA nito lamang buwan ng Pebrero.
You cannot answer that because you're not from Philhealth.
I'm not from Philhealth,
Yes.
Your Honor. But if I may, Your Honor, you make mention of the lifetime members, Your Honor.
Not the lifetime, yes, becoming lifetime members. Yes, because that is under Section 11 of the UHCA.
Yes.
Philhealth has also must also set up the following funds. Has Philhealth set up these funds before it declares a surplus?
Your Honor, the provision for lifetime members' benefits is likewise accrued, Your Honor. It is part of the ICL. It's a small part of the ICL.
It's a small part,
Yes.
but has it been set up?
It has been set up, Your Honor.
Where is your proof of that compliance? And then a fund to secure payouts to lifetime members, a fund for optional supplemental benefits subject to additional contributions. These are all programs that are required for Philhealth to fulfill. And then there is a comprehensive outpatient benefit, including outpatient drug benefit and emergency medical services. And to gradually and steadily, consistently upgrade the program of Philhealth such that on its 10th year, the contributors, those who cannot afford, may no longer be required to contribute.
Your Honors, that would already dwell on the operations of Philhealth.
Correct.
If I may.
That's why
Yes, Your
we're
Honor.
all about operations here.
Yes, Your Honor.
So how can there be a surplus fund when the programs of Philhealth required of it to set up under the law have not been set up at all? How can Philhealth declare that it has surplus funds, aside from the fact that these funds are special funds for special purpose? Are the projects to be financed by the government for construction of the bridge, for maintenance of the roads. Is that a purpose that is akin or even related to the purpose of healthcare?
If I may, Your Honor, if we can let Philhealth and the board answer and OGCC answer that, Your Honor.
All
it
right.
Goes beyond the
Anyway,
mandate of COA, Your Honor.
Mr. Commissioner, you have offered your wisdom. I'm just afraid that when the case of Philhealth goes to your office for review, you might be charged with partiality or bias.
Your Honor, the process, as far as COA is concerned, Your Honor, we maintain our independence
Yes, all
with
right.
regards to mandate.
So, Mr. Commissioner,
Yes,
your
Your Honor.
excuse. We don't want to burden you any further.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honors.
Yes.
Can I interject?
Yes, please.
Mr. Commissioner, you got appointed as a commissioner when?
Ad interim February 10. Your
2025.
Honor. Yes, Your Honor. Ad interim, Your Honor.
And you're the COA. Are you speaking here now as representing COA or as a resource person?
As a resource person, Your Honor.
But is that correct? You're a sitting COA commissioner.
Your Honor, we are going through the records as a witness for the records of COA, Your Honor.
But the way I'm listening to your arguments, you are defending the position of the DOF.
Your Honor, this has been a COA discussion also, Your Honor. And we have also reviewed this in light not only of this case, Your Honor, but
So
for the
let me
implementation.
be clear. Are you speaking on behalf of the entire COA when you're speaking to the court now? Or are you speaking only from your knowledge as a COA commissioner?
As a COA commissioner, Your Honor.
So you're not here speaking for COA.
No, Your Honor.
Do you also audit the DOF?
We do, Your Honor.
Then isn't there a conflict of interest here?
Your Honor, we were requested, Your Honor, to discuss the records.
I know,
and the
but you're a
definitions.
sitting commissioner.
Yes, Your Honor.
Don't you think there is a conflict of interest here? You're espousing views. The contending views are to be decided by this court. And now a sitting COA commissioner stands before the court. I don't get it. I really don't get it.
My apologies, Your Honor. I was requested to discuss the contents of the COA report, and objectively, this is part of our records. And we make the statement, Your Honor, based on this.
But you were not COA commissioner at the time these COA reports were made, right?
Yes, Your Honor. But we have the records, Your Honor, and just a matter of explaining what they contain, Your Honor.
Except that you're wearing too many hats. What hat are you wearing?
We apologize, Your Honor. I apologize, Your Honor.
May I, with leave of the Chief and Justice Ami, you mentioned that you discussed this among the members of the COA.
Yes, Your Honor.
So is there a special audit or a regular audit now of the transfer of funds from the Philhealth to government?
Your Honor,
So was there already a special audit or an audit?
no audit, Your Honor.
Okay, just to clarify.
Yes, Your Honor. This is, Your Honor, the 2024 audit will cover this, Your Honor, and our financial audit only starts this year,
Yes,
Your
because
Honor.
if there is no audit, then you are already expressing your opinions now, which we did not call you. You were offered by the respondents. And you did mention your opinion. And our fear is for you and for our co-equal constitutional body called the Commission on Audit, that it may affect the partiality. Just for you.
Thank you,
Thank
Your
you.
Honor. Thank you for that note. Well taken, Your Honor.
Your excuse, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chief Justice. Thank you, Your Honors.